U.S. homes are increasingly using the central heat and air units to keep a favorable temperature throughout the year in multiple rooms. The use of such systems has now become a standard practice across housing in the U.S. Central heat and central air systems are two separate units that work together to provide a comfortable indoor atmosphere and therefore jointly fall under HVAC. This video will inform you about the cost of central heat and air units in 2020. Central air unit and its installation cost. The central cooling unit is installed at a central location where the air is cooled and then distributed throughout the home. It sucks the hot air, cools it down, and circulates it through the system. There are two types of cooling systems, a split unit and a packaged unit. The central air conditioner can roughly cost between $1,550 and $4,100, but the prices can vary based on your needs. Whereas a central air system can cost $750 to $1,100. The final cost will depend on the factors like the size of your home, ductwork, size of the unit, energy efficiency, and installation cost. Central heating unit and cost. Central heating system consists of a furnace that burns the fuel and produces heat that is then circulated throughout the home with the help of ducts. Based on the size of your home, it can cost from $4,500 to $20,000. There are certain factors that can drive up the cost of a heating system, such as type of heating system, ductwork, size, and efficiency of the system. Pros and cons. Both the systems have pros and cons. The pros being consistent temperature, the ability to control thermostat, efficient cooling and heating, and improved indoor air quality. The biggest con, however, is the high cost of installation, and some users might find the system noisy. For more HVAC videos, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also, if you would like to know more about this topic, go to hvacfreelancer.com, or you can click the link below in the description.